Hi guys, Cindy here. So today I've got an unboxing and a try on, not a review, because I don't know enough about wigs to do reviews. But I ordered some wigs off clearance from the Paula website. And I believe they were $29 each, and I didn't have to pay shipping, and I didn't have to pay tax. And so these is more in style with my daughter thinks that I ought to wear. She didn't like the last wig, and I didn't like it either. I think my head's too big or something, and the color just made me look too white. Normally, I know I've lightened out with age, but normally I'm kind of a tan color, more of an olive color. And I know I don't look it right now, but that is my natural color before I got so old. And so it made me just look too white, and I didn't like that. And the curls, my daughter says that I shouldn't be wearing curls. She just doesn't like it. She likes straight hair and she likes long hair, and she thinks that I'll do that too. Anyway, my hair won't grow. I mean, it might grow a little bit if I didn't have it done, but who wants to do that? So anyway, so let's see what was in the box. I already told you I took them out of the box because of my address. So we get this magazine, which I have not looked at it yet. I didn't look anything. I just opened the box today. I think it came in the other day, but I didn't open it or anything. And it's got some special offers. I haven't looked at it. What else we got? It's got some final clearance stuff. I think they have clothes and stuff too, and so that might be what that's about, because it said $9.99. Oh, that's shipping label. We're not going to do that. Alrighty. So anyway, what I ordered was a something called a Charlie. I did have to pay a coverage surcharge of 95 cents. Well, that's okay, because when I looked at it, I was tempted to try to get them off Amazon, and there was like well over $10 higher per wig on Amazon, so that's okay. These were $29.99. Let's see what we are. We got two. Got this one here, and we got this one here. And let's just open them. I think I ordered them with bangs. I know I would like something with a lace front. I don't know if these do or not. Typically the bangs ones don't. And so I just don't know that I want my forehead showing, that much of my forehead. So I'm kind of scared to get something without bangs. Anyway, so this is the package and does this have a name? This is called Astrid, and the color 8/12A. Can you see that? It might be reversed for you. So let's look at, it's got a nice tag. This was it does have a little brown wig cap. I don't know if I'm going to use that or just the wig grip. I did get out some bobby pins, and I've got my wig grip. And so this is what it looks like. And this is the little wig cap. We might or might not use that. I don't know. So, and it's nice to come in a box. I know the sister wigs didn't come in a box, but I think they do that to keep the price down, which, I mean, I'm not dissing them or anything. I like Heather, and I like to watch her shows, but anyway, so this looks kind of shiny. Of course, my hair is kind of damaged, because I got that ombre, and so she had to bleach it, and then she took it out, so the ends seem to be a little bit more brittle than normal. So, we got two bobby pins here, but I'd already got me some bobby pins out, but that's okay. Looks like there's 3 bobby pins. They must have used this to keep it in. I'm pulling on a hair. And we got some. And it's got a little cap. It looks like there's some, what they call permatease. This is a long wig. I cannot remember what it looked like. Let's see. This looks like a basic cap, what they say. It looks like a nice cap. It looks like it's got Velcro to make it looser. So this looks like a good wig cap. I don't know what the regular price was, but I got it on clearance. And the color, I can't remember what the color was. It's kind of brown. And it's kind of shiny, but it really doesn't look that shiny. And they say that you can put dry shampoo on them to take the shine out. So I'm going to go ahead and cut the tag off because I'm keeping them. I mean, I don't know when I will wear them. Let's see. I'm looking for some scissors. There's some. I'm kind of scared to wear them to work, and right now we're stuck at home because it's so cold and stuff out. But, I could wear them on Saturdays, and, when I retire, of course, I'm only 60, so it's at least 5 more years I could wear them, out more when I went out. Might could wear it to church. I hadn't been in person to church in a long time. We've been doing online church. So I'm going to go ahead and take this off. So I'm taking the little Paula label off. I'm trying not to cut that one. I'm trying to just to spool it through so not to damage it. Although I can't see me sending them back. They were so inexpensive. And, I waste more money on nails and stuff. So, and I think I would like to wear these. So let's take the glasses off. I got my little comb. I'm shutting my eyes because that confuses me seeing myself in reverse. Okay. So they gave me 3 pens. I'm just going to try to pin it up a little bit. I probably should have got the pins out first. Would have been a good idea. And these are straight. I might be repeating myself when I am. I'm sorry. Because my daughter said not to get curly. She said it doesn't look good on me. So I said, okay. I said, do the girls want to play that other wig? She says, no. She don't want them in curly either. Plus, she doesn't want them in short hair either. They're a long hair family. Now then, we've got remember last time I bought this, the wig grip. So if we remember how to get this thing on. Let's see. I think I got that caught in my hair. Not a good idea. So, let's see. Yeah, that's where the tag's supposed to be. So, and these have got bangs. So, and it's brown. It's more of a natural color. I've decided I'm not going to try any fun colors because, not yet anyway. I'm afraid I tried that one, the Raven and Roses, and it's pretty on some people, but I don't know. I wasn't feeling it once I got it on me. And the hair's a mess, but that's okay. So let's see if we can, I'm going to kind of loosen this because I probably will need it loosened. But it's Velcro. A lot of people really like the Velcro one. And it does have ear tabs and all that other good stuff I hear people talk about. So let's see how this looks on us. So it's kind of getting hung on the bobby pins. My hair's really cut in a way that I can't really put it in a ponytail or anything. I've got a mirror. There it is. Let's see. I gotta get too much. The models look so much better than I look. I'm definitely going to have to get in the bathroom and mess with this. Because you can see, let's see, you can see my wig grip, I think, here. Was that there? Or is that the front of the wig? Let's see. This, I think, even though, see, the thing is, I've had short hair. Even though I've been out of church a while, I don't think anyone would believe that my hair grew this much. Or I could just say, I don't care. I'm wearing a wig. Mind your own business. Okay, so it kind of, I don't really know what it's doing. I'll have to go to the bathroom and fiddle with it, so. It's kind of got some stuff up here. I don't really like the permatease. I don't know what that's for. I guess it's to, and I'm kind of scared to comb it. You know, they say, you know, you can really get these things messed up. So anyway, I'm definitely going to have to mess with this and pull up the picture and see what she looked like because I can't really remember. I don't, right now, I think it looks funny on me. I got something just popped up on my computer, so I'm canceling it. I don't know. I wasn't expecting this permatease up top for a long-haired wig. And then the bangs. See, and what's this here? Okay, so that's my, anyway. They just look so much better on the models. Might do better if I was to try a lace front, but like I said, I'm kind of scared of those, that forehead showing too much. Anyway, well, there's this thing. So y'all see it. And it's probably would look better. It's long. And it's shiny. I'm going to have to like practice on, you know, wear this out on a Saturday to go pick up groceries or something. Anyway, so this is what it looks like right out of the box. First putting it on, me not knowing what I'm doing. So I'm going to have to play with it. It doesn't feel tight. It feels okay. I'm just concerned about the way it looks. Not So anyway, I just need to mess with it. So let's put this up. Let's look at it. So this is what it looks like. I don't think the problem's with the wig. I think the problem is with me. So let's put that there. Let's look at the other one. See, I'm going to pull up a few more bobby pins. See what's going on back here. All right. The next one is, let's see. Let's put some eyeballs on. Actually, these two wigs was cheaper than the sister wigs. But that was special fiber, and those were not on clearance. These are on clearance. This is called Charlie, in the color 10-26-6. This might be a little bit lighter. You know, I was trying to stick with more natural colors. Here's what the inside looks like. It's a little bit more golden color. You know, when you get them off the clearance, you don't have as many choices of colors. Okay. This might do better for me. It's shorter. It might be a little bit shorter. It's a little bit more golden color, a little bit more blonde. So when you're in a blonde mood, you can wear a blonde wig. When you're in a brown mood, you can wear a brown wig. But I'm not unhappy with the wig. I'm more unhappy with myself for not knowing how to do anything. But you know, I guess it just takes practice. Now, Sister Wigs did come out with a limited edition wig with an angled bob, a long angled bob. That's really my style, and I ordered it. So we're giving it one more chance. It's because the curly wig, the Felix, and actually, if someone watched that, if they're interested in that Felix wig, let me know, because I'm probably going to stick it in my donation bin, and next time I go to donate clothes or something, which I've been just wearing my old clothes, shopping out of the closet. But I think that's what it is. So this is more of a kind of a brownish color. I guess I'm a little fussier because I've got hair, where a lot of the people, women that don't have hair or don't have much hair, they're, you know, not as picky. And, you know, me, when we say, well, our real hair looks better than that, I'm just loosening this. And these got Velcro again. A lot of people are really crazy about this Velcro for some reason. And so there's the cap. Let's try this one. See how it looks. I think the shorter wig was easier for me to do. I don't know. I definitely need to mess with it some. It does. I don't know if it's got permatease or not. So, just straight out of the box, let's see. I think this one might be doing better for me than the other one because it's shorter, although my daughter would disagree. Anyway, my husband's going to have a cow. Okay. I guess it's no different than buying a purse or a top or something that you're not happy with. And I think I like this one better. I would like it better with the brown color, but you don't have as many choices when you get them on clearance. Now this new wig that I've ordered, I'm be super disappointed if it's not just drop dead gorgeous, because it's an angled bob and it's a brown. It's kind of dark brown with highlights like my natural cut hair. Anyway, so how do y'all like that one? I definitely need to work on it some. Decide what side to put the part, go to the bathroom and all that. I do think this one looks better on me than the other one. And this is called Charlie. Oh, I know a Charlie. Anyway, so that is today's video. I hope y'all had fun. If you're not subscribed, subscribe. I know I don't do any editing, so they're not the best quality of video, but hopefully you have a lot of fun. And I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.